If you want to offer free gifts on your Shopify store orders, then here's what you're going to do. First, we're going to install a free gift or upsell app from the Shopify App Store. So from here, we're going to click on settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. And then from the left side panel of your settings page, we can see apps and sales channels. So we're going to click on that. After that, we're just going to click on Shopify App Store. And then from the Shopify App Store page, we are going to look for the free gifts. As you can see here, we have the BOGO's free gift bundle upsell. So we're just going to click on that. They have a free plan available, and then they also have the free trial one. So we're going to click on install, and then we're just going to wait for it to be installed, and then we are going to set up this app. Now it's going to ask you the access that it needs, and then we're going to hit on install. Now, once we have the BOGOs, we're now going to start onboarding. We're going to click on the start onboarding from the bottom of your page. Okay, so now from here, we are going to click on enable app embed as the first step of our onboarding. Now it's once you click on the enable app embed, it's going to take you to your store. So as you can see, the app embed has been turned on. Now after you see that it has been turned on, we're going to click on save. This is a crucial step because it won't be seen by the app embed or the bogos.io if it's not saved. So after that, as you can see, it is now enabled. We're now going to click on the next step, and then after that we can start with an offer template. So we can add a gift offer, a bundle offer, upsell offer, or discount offer. And you can also do chat with us if you're unsure which offer is for you. So you can, for this one, we're just going to click on a free gift, and then from here you have all of the gift templates that they have. So for example, I just want to add this basic one. We're going to click on start with this template, and then we are going to create the offer. So we can add the offer title, the start time and end time. We are going to offer main condition, and then you can also see the gifts that the customer will receive. And then from here, you can select the gifts that comes with the product. So we're going to click on select gifts, and take note that the only product or the only gifts that you can sell are of course the ones that are in your product page. So for now, the t-shirt is the only product that is in my product page. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to click on select. Now after that, this means that if one person buys something from my shop, they're going to have a t-shirt for free. And then that's it. If you are ready to publish this to your page, you can click on publish. But if you're not and you feel like you will tweak some information later on, you can just click save this as a draft, and that's it. That is how you are going to add or offer free gifts in your Shopify store orders. I recently created an hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.